Hello fellow web enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into the exciting world of web development, exploring the essential skills, daily workflow, and best practices that every aspiring web developer should master. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your career, this video is for you. So, let's not waste any time. Hit that subscribe button now, and together, we'll uncover the magic of web development. The role of a web developer. To truly grasp web development, let's begin by understanding the role itself. Web developers are the architects of the internet, responsible for creating and maintaining websites and web applications. Building digital experiences, web developers craft digital experiences that range from personal blogs to e-commerce platforms and complex web applications. They play a crucial role in bringing ideas to life on the internet. Cross-functional collaboration. Web developers often collaborate with designers, content creators, and project managers to deliver a cohesive online presence. This collaborative approach ensures that the final product is both visually appealing and functionally robust. Essential skills for web developers. Now that we understand the role, let's explore the essential skills that web developers need to excel in their careers. Proficiency in web technologies. A solid understanding of web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is the foundation of web development. These languages are used to create the structure, style, and interactivity of web pages. Responsive design. With the rise of mobile devices, web developers must master responsive design to ensure their creations look and function seamlessly on various screen sizes. Using frameworks like Bootstrap and media queries, developers create responsive layouts. A day in the life of a web developer. Now that we've covered the skills, let's dive into a typical day in the life of a web developer. Project planning. Web developers often start their days by reviewing project requirements, planning tasks, and defining project timelines. This organized approach sets the stage for a productive day of coding and problem solving. Coding and collaboration. Much of a web developer's day is spent writing code and collaborating with team members. This can involve design implementation, bug fixes, and code reviews. Collaboration ensures that the final product aligns with both design and functionality goals. Best practices for successful web development. To thrive in the field of web development, it's essential to adopt best practices that ensure efficiency and the delivery of high-quality websites and applications. Version control and deployment. Version control systems like Git simplify collaboration by tracking changes and enabling developers to work on different aspects of a project simultaneously. Utilizing continuous integration and automated deployment streamlines the process of pushing updates to live websites. Performance optimization. Web developers optimize websites for speed and performance to provide users with a smooth and enjoyable experience. Techniques like image optimization, code minification, and caching contribute to faster load times. Conclusion. And there you have it. An in-depth look into the essential skills, workflow, and best practices of a web developer. From coding and collaboration to responsive design and performance optimization, web developers are the architects of the digital world we interact with every day. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content related to technology and professional growth. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and remember to keep coding, stay curious, and embrace the ever-evolving world of web development.